Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Why are my repairs always such a kick in the head? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Will. I'm a 65-year-old man doing 3D printing and looking out for my retirement, and hopefully this will go good. But today we've had a problem with one of our P1Ss. This one we got on Facebook Marketplace for a fairly good price. It had some issues at that time I didn't know about, but after a new extruder and a few other parts, it seemed to be running fine until the other day where I got this message. And now all I can do is just go back through it again and see if I can fix it. So the last time I actually pulled the sensor out and had to re-solder the wires back to it. It had been pulled directly off of the unit, and when I soldered it back, it worked fine, but now I'm getting the error again. So let's pull that off and see what we can do. Well, it was a failure. I just put all that 3.5 hours into it for nothing. But that's 3D printing. A buddy of mine's got a Neptune 4 Max, and he does nothing but work on it. And when it does print, it doesn't print very pretty. So I know how he feels today. But I do have a couple of other printers, so that'll get me through till I get the parts from Bambu. I've ordered those. It's the heat bed sensor units, and they're only $4.99 a piece. So I just went ahead and, since I was paying the $6.99 for shipping, just went ahead and got all three of them. I'll just replace all three, and hopefully that'll solve my problem. Something else I'm doing at the end of the week is going to be going to our cabin up in Western North Carolina. That is part of our retirement. We're going to build a large A-frame house up on the side of the mountain, and we've already picked up the land. We got 5 acres there in Little Switzerland, and Little Switzerland is next to Spruce Pines, which you probably don't know where that is in Western North Carolina, but that's where the hurricane went through last September and killed 200 people plus. They're still looking for people, and it took out Lake Lure, Chimney Rock, it took out Spruce Pines, it took out Old Fort. It was taking out half of Asheville. I-40 was taken out for a month. People had to reroute to go all the way down to Chattanooga to go back up through Tennessee to back to 40. But it was pretty terrible. We were lucky. We were at the top of the mountain, and all of the trees fell up the hill and fell onto our cabin. I've gone up there and trimmed off some of the limbs off of it. It tore some of the porch off, as you can see in the pictures. But what we're going to do is go up there and try to trim out and clean up and try to get patch work. And we thought we'd do some filming of that too. It's just something that we're going to be doing in the future once the printing and everything starts taking off, which it already kind of has. We've already started making money on it. So yeah, that's all. We're just going to go up there, clean up, look at the home site, and we'll do a little video of it or throw it in with something else. We'll do something. Anyway, and also on Wednesday, I'm going over to Micro Center. That is a 3D print, and along with other electronic type of hobbies. They carry a large line of filament and everything else. I've never heard of them. I just saw it on the internet. Somebody had mentioned to me before about the place. Evidently, it's a national chain. So I want to go over there Wednesday and pick up some of the glow filament from them, see what their best filament for that is. And then maybe we'll find something else on Amazon that's like a little more expensive of the blue filament, glow in the dark stuff, and then we'll do some type of test on that. But until then, I don't know what I'm going to be printing, but I hope you're printing it with me. Thanks a lot for sticking around, YouTube. See ya.